contact right through here. I want you to take a deep breath in, all the way out. Very good. Relax your upper back as much as you can. Very good. Needed that one.
Hell yeah.
Let's have you lay on your other side.